Well, hey, everybody. This is Mr. Nelson, and I've noticed that we've had some confusion when it comes down to doing those comic pages. So the comic page with the finish the comic, and those, I'm just seeing that we're having some problems understanding what to do. So I've already gone ahead and done one where with the speech bubbles, but we've got this one with all the sound effects. And what I've noticed is a lot of people have done basically what they've done is, let's see, there we are. And I'll make myself a little bigger so you might be able to see me. Let's move me over, and whoop, there I am. What I've noticed is a lot of people are just writing words. They're coming over here and they're choosing the marker and they're writing, whoops, let's try that again. They're choosing the marker and they're writing pow. And there, they're done. Or they write a word in each one. That's not really what we're looking for. Remember, a comic book and a comic strip is made of pictures and words. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off, let's see, come on, work. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this, and I've got this crash here. What crashed? Well, I'm going to have a rocket ship crash. So I'm going to start off by drawing a person. It doesn't have to be the whole body. And they're an astronaut, so they've got a helmet on. Okay, and they've got a big backpack. So there's my astronaut. And what's happened is the rocket has crashed. And we'll have smoke coming out of it. And I can always change the colors and make things like, okay, we're going to have black smoke coming out of it. And the rocket. So he's over here and he's going to say, oh no. And there's his speech bubble to say, oh no. And then what he's going to do is he's going to now, let me go back to my blue, just because that seems to be what I'm using. And now, let's see, crash, there he is. Oh no. And then he's going to start running away. So there he is. And we're going to have one arm like this, and one arm like this, and one leg like this, and one leg like this. And there's his little backpack. And there's the ground. And we'll still put the rocket in over here. But this time, instead of just black smoke coming out, we're going to put, let's make orange. We're going to put some orange fire. So he's going to run away and then boom. So the rocket crashes. He sees it. He's there. He runs away as it's doing this. Boom. And I could color in my boom if I wanted to. Now, what's going to happen after that? Maybe he's going to sit there and say, I'm stranded on this horrible planet. Or something. So I'm going to go ahead and put I'm lost. That's easier to write. And then now I could go ahead and move my comic up. Your comic will be moved up. Now then the last part's going to be I need to go home. And again, speech bubble. And I'm trying to figure out exactly why my screen's doing what it's doing, but that's okay. Let's see if I can see if I move this up, then I don't move everything. So what I would do here is then I would draw those pictures in with him going, I'm lost, and then I need to find a way home. There's my story. And I'm using crash and boom. I'm not expecting you to go ahead and give me a whole bunch of onomatopoeia, words that sound that sound the way that they actually sound, like pop or boom or crash. So what I need you to do is tell a story, a beginning, a middle, an end, just like anything else. So I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, you can always ask. Go ahead and try it out. Remember, a comic is a combination of pictures and words. All you have are words, it's not a comic. If all you have are pictures, it could be a comic, but it's not the way that we're making a comic. So remember that, and I hope to see you either tomorrow or Tuesday at 1:30 at my Zoom meeting, or next week. Have a great week. Stay safe, stay healthy, and wash your hands.